Good morning, fellow option traders. This is Jeff, and welcome to the daily scan for Thursday, February 14th, 2013. Well, a quick look at the market this morning shows sort of a significant pullback going on here. The news is saying that the European economy is disappointed. There probably was some sort of announcements over there that made things look bad. And how does that affect us? Well, that kind of makes the dollar look a little bit stronger, as we can see down here. For the US dollar futures market. But everything else pre-market for the futures is not looking good. As a matter of fact, the Dow moved from about 52 to 72 just since I opened this up about 10 minutes ago. So it looks like we might open significantly down today. Need to take a look at where we are with our positions right now, and it's a good idea. In the market, they always say that it takes the escalator up and the elevator down. So it goes up in steps like a stairway, and then boom, it just drops off. So make sure you remember that, and if you have any bullish positions, you might want to take a look at them. Let's take a look at ours though. Apple, this is a bearish position. It's a bear call, and we're probably okay with that. And that is the one that we put the trigger on, the order trigger on yesterday, and at 9:30:08 in the morning, or 8 seconds after the market opened, this trade executed it. And if we take a look at the chart for Apple, this one here, oh, that's not Apple. Let's go back here and pick Apple out, or pick an apple from the tree. If we take a look at the price action right away in the morning, we had our trigger down below here to enter, and that's about where it opened, moved up, and then pulled back for the rest of the day. So that one is up $10 right now. We should be safe with that one. Take a look at pre-market on Apple. 564, 565 with the close at, 467 was the close. And we're looking at 464 and 465 for our bid ask at the open, so it's probably going to open down, so we should be okay there. Amazon is also a bear call play, and Amazon shot up quite a bit yesterday. If we take a look at the chart, I gotta remember to pick it over here. Take a look at the chart. It had a big day. There is kind of some good news about some deal that they might have made, I think with CBS or something like that, for content for the Kindle, of which I have a Kindle Fire. So that's good news for me, not good news for this particular trade. So if Apple is going to continue its march up today, I just may get out of it. But let's take a look at a possible open here. Looks like it's going to open down, and our short is at 265 or 260. So looking at a possible open here, I don't know, I'll have to think about it today. I just might have to think about it. I'm not going to panic and get out right away in the morning. Looks like it's going to open down, and we'll see if it continues moving down, in which case I'll hang on to it. This is a bull put play here on CRM, and we'll take a look at the chart on it. I don't have my 165 line on here. Maybe I deleted it yesterday by accident, so let's put one back. Oop, I don't want that kind. Curses. Alright, I want my price level. And what's the expiration on this? Does anybody remember? Let's go back here and take a look at it. February, actually, tomorrow. So we should be good with this one. Where are we at? 75 bucks. Take a look at the Analyze tab. We're probably going to get out of this today. We're looking pretty good. We're going to exit. Reduce our risk. Let's look at, this is one standard deviation out here and it would still be out of the money. So we will exit CRM today. Next one we want to look at is Google. That also is expiring tomorrow. We got a nice move on that yesterday, so we will probably get out of that one today too. And Priceline is also expiring today, looking a little scary right now. What are we looking at for a possible open here? Oh, that's not looking very good. We need to be above 700, and we're going to be very close here. So worst case, at least from what I can see right now, is that'll be a no gainer. So 0 yards gained on that particular play. Okay, and one other thing went away. I have some Exelon shares in another account, and they paid a dividend of $52.50, I believe, to shareholders of record today, and they actually lowered the price by exactly $52.50, or I mean 52.5 cents per share. That was up here before and now it's gone. Okay, what are we going to do next? One thing that we didn't do yet is take a look at what's on tap for today from an announcement perspective. Thursday, February 14th, the weekly jobless claims at 8:30, and if that's not good news, I would imagine the market's going to drag even lower. That would be my guess. But it's only a guess, and your guess is as good as my guess. Alright, let's make sure we have charts lined up here, so we can just flip back and forth, and we will jump over to our A+ list. Put this up here, close these up. Alright, we're in Apple, and just back to the chart quickly on that was, I did put this in here. So this is Feb 4, which is next Friday's expiration. So we just have to stay below here for a week and a day or so, and we'll be good on that. Alright, Amazon we're in. Baidu, still trying to figure out what it is going to be doing. And actually, this is interesting, it did test going lower below this 95, but still 95 it could be considered support for right now. CF Industries already down 40 cents this morning in a couple of trades. That's interesting. Oh, well, because they paid a dividend too. So I don't know if the platform is doing this or if the market is doing this or what, but you know, when they pay that dividend, usually the stock pulls back by that amount. Just so, you know, like, you don't think that you're getting free money with that dividend. They want to make sure that you know that. Chipotle. We have this alert up here, and I think the alert is no longer valid. So we're looking at a pullback here, and we're looking for a target down here. So we'll see if it comes down there and gives us an entry. CRM we're in, gold we're in. Take a look at gold on the Analyze tab. And this is our double calendar that we have on it, trying to play the lack of volatility on that particular ETF. Just looking to see if we can get a couple of bucks out of it and see if this is a logical thing to do. And we were hoping that gold would move up a little bit more, but looks like GLD may not cooperate. Although this shorts will expire this Friday, so you know we could make 30 bucks off of this thing. We'll see what happens. We'll watch it during the day, and hopefully we can stay above here today and tomorrow. Google. Oops. This happened to me yesterday too. We're in Google. We looked at that already. And Netflix is next. No, we skipped MasterCard. Let's go back to MasterCard. We might be lining up for an entry here, so we'll mark that. A lot of sideways movement here. I might look at some other kind of play on MasterCard today and report back to you tomorrow if I find anything. Maybe a double calendar on it. I won't waste time today because we're already 12 minutes into this thing, so I won't waste any time today on how I would look at that. Might be a separate video, I don't know. Netflix. Oh, we got a bump here. Netflix, we have an entry. Basically, I would like to have seen %K come down here below 20, but this might be good enough. We have movement up here. We are above 80 on the long term, and our MACD is strong to the upside. Good momentum. Alright, Netflix. You are lined up for today. Right click on this chart, and we'll set the alert based on the last. At or above, that's good. And there we have it. And we'll see if we have an opportunity to get in on something there with a bull put kind of a credit spread. Price line we're in, and Panera Bread, which I was just at one the other 2 days ago. Not seeing anything here, just a lot of consolidation. Possible double calendar on that too. Maybe even an iron condor. Let's kind of look at what we're looking at for volatility. Probably an iron condor would work pretty good on that. And the same thing, let's look at MasterCard. MasterCard, because it's a little bit lower for IV, might be looking at a double calendar, might make more sense on that. So we'll see. We'll look at both of these today, and if it looks like it's something you might want to do, I'll run another video. I might have some time today. Okay, did I miss anything? I don't think so. Should be an interesting day today in the market. Hopefully nobody gets hurt too bad. But it also is an opportunity for option traders to make some money. So we don't care where it goes, as long as it goes, or even if it sits still, we can still make money. It's a wonderful thing. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.